Hey guys, it's me. I bet you guys missed me, all four of you. All four of you that are my alternate accounts. Guys, um, before we start this Reddit video, I'm going to tell you, this story. It happened to me. Um, so I was in the house with my dog, Larry. He's a German Shepherd. And, suddenly, um, Gabe Newell had broken into my home and he flushed my dog Larry down the toilet. And my dog Larry, he flushed him down the toilet. Oh, I had him since he was a pup. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Because I have a new dog. And they're a golden retriever, and they're named Risa. And Gabe, and you will never get your hands on Risa. You will never step foot on my property ever again, because I will shoot you, Gaben. Yes, I will shoot you. I will shoot you with my water gun. And, what's that? Who's that? Who are you? What's going on? No, 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 no! Where are you going, Lisa? No, 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 what's that? I think I hear walking. No! That was the toilet! No! Lisa! Oh. But anyway, guys, what the Epic Games Store buy?